Good morning. What a day already. It could have been so good. My husband wanted to pick up our car. But it's now in the fixing garage again. I don't know. I have no idea what's going on. But it's just miserable. It's not what I've expected. Especially right before our vacation. And I have no idea. It's just so confusing. But anyway, another day, another makeup, and wanted to take you with me to another makeup routine. So today I am going to use another primer, which is actually on sale, but I barely use it. I don't know why, but it's so beautiful. It's so glittery, and this is like a serum boost primer. So it's really like a high-end product. Smells gorgeous as well, but I don't know why. Never used it, even though it's a very good product. So I just wanted to be, showing you all the different products that we have actually. So it's not like sticky or anything, very soft to your skin. And I just love look at this. It's so beautiful. So now I am going to use a different foundation as well, which I have been using, let's say, more in winter time, but it's also a great foundation, I think. Longwear Mineral Foundation with SPF 20, also from Jordani Gold. When you have your favorites, you just stick to them, but I'm here to show it to you guys. I have the color light beige neutral, so it could be a little bit lighter, but that's okay because the products from Jordani Gold are in general high-end. So I think it also suits my tone, even though I like it a little bit darker. So anyway, I hope you're having a wonderful Wednesday. Normally we have like a few appointments today and this week, but I have no idea how it's going to work out without a car. So even though I won't be able to drive anyway, my husband would drive, but yeah, no idea. So probably I'm going to work on my business today because I really need to move on. I've got a great team already that's already, moving on with their business. And it's so motivating when you see them, reaching their goals, placing their orders. And I just love that. It's just so amazing. So look at this. Looks gorgeous. I think this one even suits better to my skin than the other ones, but I just love this tannish glow. So Longwear Mineral Foundation by Jordani Gold. Looks gorgeous already. So concealer, one of my favorite products. Yeah, so I have like a few team members that are really going on their business lately, and I am always here for questions, help them, with their fast start or in general with orders. And yeah, I'm so happy about that. But I also have to focus to, always get in contact with new people because my Instagram account is like growing massively within the last months, I would say. And it doesn't come from, nowhere. It's just hard work and you have to be consistent. So yeah, I really love that. I forgot my powder. I'll be right back. So Today I'm going with the Jordani Gold Powder. High class powder. I do like it. It's a little bit darker than the one that I have, so I'm trying to, be very careful because it's very highly pigmented. But the Uncolor one is my favorite. But look at this. It already looks gorgeous. It's just amazing. So, I don't want to use a lot of eyeshadow because I'm going for red lips today, okay? So, if you use eyeshadow and a red lipstick, it's like a little bit tricky. So I'm just going to use from our Uncolor eyeshadow palette this brownish tone because this literally looks like you're not wearing eyeshadow, if you know what I mean. So you can just see it a little bit. Let me fix that. Okay. Mirror. Yeah, so a lot of things going on with my Oriflame business. If you are interested into the business, it's only 19 euros or 19 pounds to join. Or if you live in India, what else? China, Russia, Ukraine, Georgia, it doesn't matter. You can always get back to me because Oriflame is in over 60 countries. And we could get you going from there. So it's so easy to get connected. We can work worldwide together, except for USA, Canada. But over 60 countries should be enough. So today I am going to use the mascara Double Effect. So if I'm going to have like red lips, you need to have like, very pretty eyes. And so you can see you have like one brush for the volume and it's the same brush, and you just take this one and then you can create more length to your, yeah. Of course, I'm also going to use my Jordani Gold eyeliner. This is actually the best you can get. I'm going to put that on and I'll be right back. Look at this. Double Effect mascara. It's actually, turning in one of my faves. I don't know, because these lashes are just gorgeous. And I don't have like very beautiful lashes, okay? So Jordani Gold eyeliner, currently on sale for €5. I don't know how many pounds, maybe three pounds or something like that in our outlet shop. And yeah, Double Effect mascara. So let's move on with a quick blush and highlighting. So I'm going to use the face stylers that we have just for a simple glow. Do you see that already? It's just so high pigmented and I just love it. You could also use this as a lipstick or for your eyeshadow. I have seen that a lot. So now I'm just going to use a little bit of highlighting and going to put that in a little. So it's just a very light and nice glow. So that's it. Now, last but not least, we have this beautiful Uncolor mini lipstick that literally fits everywhere, okay? So I have not used this one before, but it's a very bright red. I just use red when it's like, a special occasion. I don't have a special occasion today, but you know what? Who cares? So just going to use that. It's very creamy, I know, from the others. looks good. I like it. So as you can see, when you have like really bright red lips, you don't need like a lot of eyeshadow or anything like that because the focus is on the red lips and not on the eyes. So now I'm just going to brush my hair. Don't need to do a lot with it. Just brush it and put some hair oil into it. And now I have my repairing overnight oil. Usually you use it for overnight, obviously, but it's so thick and nice. I also use it during the day to keep my hair shiny and very glowy, and they look very healthy. So it's not like very, very thick oil that remains on your hair because my hair is soaking it up. So yeah, now I'm just going to use my Italian summer vibes with our Giordani Gold perfume. This is Miss Giordani, a very, very fruity, nice perfume. I just love this one. I love the scent. This is more light. We also have the Essenza. Essenza is very strong, but also very beautiful. This is very light, more summery. I just love this. Perfect design. So I hope you liked my video from today. If you have any questions according to the products or to the business opportunity, then just drop a comment below the video or send me a message. I hope you're having a wonderful day and talk to you later.